Good Thursday morning. This is 106.1 KYVZ. Joe Vazurek visiting with ag meteorologist Chris Schromick at Decision Weather Now, as well as WeatherValet. Chris, warming up today and tomorrow.
Yeah, Joe, we're going to see temperatures climb up there into triple-digit readings both today and tomorrow, and that's due to the high-pressure axis that ridge that's been talking about expanding is right over the area. We got a southwesterly wind this morning at around 10 miles per hour. Temperatures are at 63 out there in Burlington, 66 in Gedland, 70 in Oberlin, 69 in McCook. And we expect those winds to become breezy this afternoon, 15 to 25 miles per hour. No fog out there this morning, so full sunshine will really heat us up. Tomorrow we'll probably be in that 102, 103 degree range. Same start in the morning around that 68, 70 degrees. And again, the breezy winds from the afternoon, 15 to 25 miles per hour. The storm chances will be out to the west along the front range. And then as we head into the weekend, we're going to see the ridge kind of flatten a little bit. Storms may work their way into eastern Colorado, maybe to the Kansas, Colorado, Nebraska lines towards evening. But for the most part, they look like they'll stay out there to the west. Our temperatures only drop slightly into the middle to upper 90s for there on Saturday and Sunday. Winds may not be as breezy, more from a south-southeasterly direction, kind of turning a little bit with that flow and the monsoonal moisture coming over the Rockies. Overnight low temperatures will continue to be in the upper 60s the next two nights, lower to middle 60s there over the weekend. Then we do have chances for some of that scattered activity to work out of Colorado Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. As that ridge will amplify over the Rockies, flow becomes a little bit northwesterly, but it does look like they'll be very widely scattered, kind of hit and miss activity. If we get a quarter of an inch, we may be lucky. A half inch if you get under a thunderstorm that is potentially that marginal severe level. We'll have amplification of that ridge back over the area at the end next weekend. So it does look like we'll have about a 10-day period of dry and hot weather with those temperatures in the 90s to near 100. That's more typical of what we would see this time in August, heading back to school and coming back from vacations. And then it does look like the last week of the month heading towards Labor Day, that's when we've got our next upper level trough and maybe some 80-degree weather to end the month and the potential for some rain coming back into the forecast.
Once again, that's ag meteorologist Chris Schromick at Decision Weather Now, as well as WeatherValet for 106.1 KYVZ. I'm Joe Vazurek.